So I'm here at John's place, and he's a comedian, he said. He picked me up off the street because he said, I think you do Thai takeovers, and he literally invited me up to his apartment. So here I am, ready to tie things up.
Nikki, what are you doing on my balcony? And how did you get up here, by the way? That's like 8 floors. That's dangerous.
I flew up here.
My kitchen's in here.
Okay, let's check it. You have such a nice view outside. This is nice too.
We put all of this together just for you.
You have bread going. Was that for me too?
That is for whatever lady was gonna come up here that I invited randomly off the streets, as you said. It is a nice homemade focaccia.
Let's hit the fridge. I'm
Let's
like
see what we got
running in here. You got meat?
We do.
What is this little happy face little thingy?
We got a dough ball. If you want to make pasta or something,
yes.
we can make homemade pasta, yeah.
So
look at
you
he's so happy to be doing it.
You cook?
Yes.
Got meat?
Yeah, we got chicken or flank steak.
Chicken or flank steak. What do you want?
You're the dealer here.
I
Dealer's
am?
choice.
You are set and ready to roll. I'm just grabbing everything I find.
You grab it. You're gonna keep grabbing there for a minute.
I'm gonna stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna try this out.
I like it.
So I actually don't remember how to cut flank steak. Are you good at that?
Yeah, sure. How thick are we cutting it? What are we looking for here?
We're stir frying.
Okay.
So
kind of some thin strips.
Yeah.
I think I can probably do that.
Okay. So dough ball. You made that just for me.
I did make a dough ball just for you.
I am going to.
Very smiley young lad.
I want the big flat noodles. So what I'm thinking is making like a pad Kee Mow. Have you had pad Kee Mow before?
I have not, no.
So it's a stir-fry noodle dish, normally with rice noodles.
Okay.
So how can we make these bigger pasta thingies? What do you call them?
Pappardelle? Something like that. Yeah. You just put a little accent on it, it sounds right.
No.
We can roll it out in this bad boy, because we do it ourselves.
Yeah.
And then we'll hand cut them into the shape we need.
Perfect.
And then I'll let you do the magic from there.
No, you're doing all of this. Sorry, you are doing it. You want to be in charge of the meat?
All right.
Let's do thin, half-inch kind of strips.
Like
Love it.
so.
Yeah.
That feel too thin?
Not too thin. I would maybe slice. This is such a good question. Like, you know, been in the restaurant for so long. I had people do this for me. So if I wanted to, I measure it, right? So, you know, I'm gonna do a three finger situation. Cut against the grain, the meat.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at this.
How about that? You want this beautiful knife now that I got it all meat on?
I mean, I already put meat on this one though too, so.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands so I can do the veggies at this point.
So you do it on this like pretty angle, and I don't feel like I'm as good at that.
It's perfect.
It doesn't feel like I'm doing it perfect. I think she's just being nice. They told me to only address this camera if I wanted to talk to the people at home. They probably didn't expect me to keep doing this.
Pad Kee Mow actually means drunken noodles.
I like that.
Noodles for the drunken person.
It's like you know me. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. I was actually a little upset we didn't start drinking yet. This is perfect.
Hey, if you want to, I'm all good. I'll watch you drink while I cook for you.
Well, that just sounds like I have a problem then at that point. I don't know if that
you don't have
quite
a problem.
works.
And the reason why
nervous.
it's like a hangover dish is because it has all these herbs. It actually maybe makes you wake up and become undrunk. Is that a word?
You know what? We're making it one. I think they call that
love-
sober or sobriety, but I
Yes,
don't
I
know
think-
that word that well. I haven't experienced a
I
whole lot
have
of it.
never heard that word.
You want me to do the rest of them, or are we sticking with the one?
I think good. One's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then my sad little one I did first.
It needs to go in. That's
That was
the special
unfortunate.
one.
That was, yeah.
That is special.
It'll be extra crispy.
You want to start on the dough ball?
Yeah.
I'll prep while you roll.
Fair enough. Oh, that's a pretty nice dough ball. though.
Beautiful.
I've done this once or twice before.
How
That's
many?
fine. Actually, probably about 100 times now.
For real?
Yeah, I mean, we make a lot of pasta. It's
I love. What kind of sauce you normally do with them?
So my great-grandmother left us her sauce recipe, and it is very much from the old world. I mean, my mom had to actually get her to write down like, seriously, how much is in X, Y, and Z? And she just refused. She was like, no, you just throw a little bit of that and a little bit of this.
Wait, I didn't know you had a special sauce. Now I want to do that one.
And yeah, well, hey.
Okay, what goes in this secret sauce? Let's get this on video.
Oh, I can't just give away the secrets. Are you kidding me? Right now? My goodness. Give me your secret Thai recipes. What is this? You'll be like, oh, you opened up an Asian mint. I'll be like, oh, yeah, I did. It's weird. I had my own recipes, though, for it.
Is it Asian minjo?
It's good. It's good. I like it.
Who came up with the noodles first, the Asians or the Italians?
Oh my gosh. If I had to guess, I am a history major. I'm going to go ahead and say the Asians came up with it first because I feel like most of school is being taught that the Italians or the Portuguese came up with something first. And then when you get to college, they're like, oh, by the way, you learned that way wrong in school. The Chinese or whoever came up with it centuries before then. It's like, oh, okay, I didn't learn that in public grade school. Somebody wasn't telling me the truth. So.
Yeah, it is the Italian version of the Asian noodles going into an Asian dish.
I like it, yep. We're gonna roll them out here too, so.
It's a Thai takeover, but John's doing all the work.
Like watching it come together is kinda nice.
Feels good.
Yes.
Probably feels real good.
And I realize I'm not rolling it out by hand or being traditional, but you know what? Sue me.
This is a quick meal. It's not all, it's like still fresh pasta.
Now, do you want these absolutely perfect? Because if so, I could try like folding it, but I kind of like just leaving it kind of elongated and weird.
I love
we'll
it.
Just go from there.
I love it. We're going the Chinese way.
There we go. I like it. Give it some love while it's there.
Oh, I love it. You want to do the honors?
No,
or,
go ahead. You can cut them up. I rolled them out.
This is beautiful, by the way.
It's
pappardelle.
It's about as beautiful as I am, which is not very, but it's going to taste good though. It'll be good. It'll be good.
So pappardelle, I don't know the size. So I'm going to go by what I'm thinking. If we're going to turn this little Italian situation into like a Thai situation, can I put them on top of each other and cut it?
As long as there's a bunch of flour on it, it should be fine. Yeah.
Let's just do this. So this is called in Thai Sen Yai.
Okay.
Sen means noodles or a line, and Yai means big. So big noodle style. Okay. And the beauty of this is, I think, with the large noodles and stir frying them, you can cut them in any different size and shapes. You're gonna stir fry it. It's all gonna get mixed in this yummy goodness.
I dig it.
You wanna do some?
Let's try it.
Or you do it?
Now that I see what you're doing here.
Yeah.
I'll try not to dig the thing directly into my, oh my goodness.
Beautiful counter. I
just don't want, when I get kicked out of this place, I want to get my security deposit back. It's very important to me, so. Okay,
we're gonna clean off this counter and then we're gonna set up for the hot wok.
I like it.
Let's do it. Water looks good.
We're getting close.
That's all you.
I mean, I boil water with the best of them, so this is easy.
I'm so excited.
Thank you.
Let's do it.
You also have a much better wok than me. I'm a little jealous.
I do?
Yeah.
Should I get this started while you do that? How many minutes we talking?
Yeah, a couple minutes to get the noodles done.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's go.
That is a rolling boil.
That is a rolling boil.
That is, indeed.
I'm going to put some oil in my pan.
I'm going to salt mine. One more, just for good luck.
Just
Why not? We can start this. We can start throwing them in.
Throw them in.
Oh my goodness, it's happening.
Throw them in. Okay, I'm going to start off with some eggs because I want this to be perfectly timed.
Oh my gosh.
For when your noodles are ready. Got some eggs. Toss them around.
I'm very distracted by your pan right now. That just looks amazing already. You've done one thing. You put eggs in a pan. I'm like, okay.
And you too. It looks awesome.
Yep.
Chopped garlic, and I put 2 serranos in there.
I like it.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
We like spice.
Yeah. Heck yeah.
I'm gonna put the meat in. Okay. And focaccia.
It's time.
There's too many things going on.
It's time. I'd say that looks pretty darn good.
It smells so good. Throwing in some more broccoli. Is your noodles ready?
Yeah, they are good to go.
Let's do it.
Are we just putting them right in there?
Why not?
Okay.
Why not?
Oh my God, look at this mess of noodles that's gonna go in.
So pretty.
Doesn't matter if a little water gets in there?
Nope.
All right.
We're not gonna splatter. We got enough.
They're in then.
Are you done over there?
I'm done.
I'm putting you in work over here.
Okay.
Come on over.
What am I doing?
Stir frying, sir. You're walking it up.
Oh boy. This is what happens when I get brought into the situation.
And if you need these, either one works. Put in some more red bells. And if you can grab that first bottle of sauce right there.
This one?
Black soy, yes. That is the key ingredient in the situation.
Nice.
How's that looking?
I mean, it smells
do a little
amazing.
taste
It looks
test?
great too, yeah. Who would have thought the hardest part would have been to actually attempt to eat this? Do you see it shaking?
Okay, you know what? Here.
You know, I'm just going for it.
I love it. Oh my God. That's awesome. That's actually very comparable to even rice noodles.
That is really
It
good.
is so satisfying. Do we need more sauce?
I mean, I would never say more sauce, but it's delicious. It's
Do
really
you
good
want
right now.
more spice?
Let's add some spice.
You want it spicier?
Why not?
Let's add some basil chili garlic in here. Look how perfect. The noodles literally absorbed all the sauce.
It did.
Ready to serve?
Let's do it. Yes, chef.
I guess I'm serving.
Oh, here, do I need to? Sorry, I don't know what's going on.
I'm good. You're like so excited.
Smells
It
incredible
smells amazing.
too.
Look at all this beautiful steam. Wait, were you drunk enough?
Unfortunately, yeah, I was so focused on this damn cooking, you know.
How's it?
Really good.
Yeah?
The soy that you put in there, that I think we used almost an entire bottle of, is just so into the meat and so into those noodles. Oh my gosh, that is just incredible. And the basil in there is just fantastic. It just gives it kind of a light pop to it at the end there, which is really, really good.
That's a good amount of spice in there.
Yeah, and it's got
I
a very
love
good
that
amount
you
of
can
spice.
really eat spice.
I'm
Okay.
just pretending after we're done. I'm gonna be like, I'm just kidding. No, this is perfect.
Focaccia bread, can we bring that out?
Yeah, we can.
Bring it out. Your focaccia bread looks amazing.
I mean, you came here, you taught me how to cook some Thai. The least I could do was make something I can make anyway, so hopefully it's good. We'll cut it open and see.
I'm gonna make it look just like.
Oh yeah, look at that. I dig it. And I'm gonna cut this like a pizza, because why not? You know, this is legitimately fresh out. Ooh, very much fresh out of the oven.
Oh, so good.
Works? Mm-hmm. You're not just being nice? Mm-mm. Let's see.
I love how you season. I hit the garlic, oregano, thyme, flaky salt on top. We did it.
We did it.
We did it! Hooray! Okay, I'm gonna keep eating. Thank you
Perfect.
so much.
Thank you.
Please remember, subscribe, follow, comment on what you think John did best.
Yeah. And if that didn't worse, just keep it to yourself. I don't want to be bullied online, okay? I got enough of that.
Sounds good. ขอบคุณค่ะ
So my experience with Thai cooking before this would be very little, and I think that's being generous. I grew up in Southeast Michigan where there just was not, it wasn't available, it wasn't a thing. And so I have very, very little background with any type of Thai cuisine until I met Nikky, actually. Cooking next to an amazing chef was a little intimidating. Usually I'm the quote unquote amazing chef in this kitchen just by default. So then when you actually have an expert next to you, it's a little humbling, but it was a ton of fun. I think the soy sauce on the noodles is just, it's a foreign concept to me. If it's not a tomato-based sauce, it's never been on my noodles. And the way the noodles absorbed it and the taste from it was just absolutely incredible. The Thai experience, it's just so robust and flavorful in your mouth. You get hit with these peppers, you get hit with that really saltiness, that savoriness of the soy sauce and everything. It's just very, very different and really, really good. And I just would never have thought about it on noodles until today. So I'm glad I learned it today.